Good morning everyone. I am Karthik, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, SNS College of Technology. As we classify the materials, we can say metals into metals and non-metals. As metals, ferrous and non-ferrous. So when we talk about ferrous alloys, we can say pig iron, wrought iron, cast iron, and another one is steel. So this cast iron can be taken as grey cast iron, white cast iron, nodular cast iron, malleable cast iron. Taking steel into consider low alloy steels, high alloy steels. This low alloy steels can be further classified as low carbon, medium carbon, high carbon, and this high alloy steel as tool steel, heat resisting steel, and stainless steels. So here I like to give a small note about the alloy addition. What is an alloy? As a simple example, you can say. If we take a milk, right? If we take a milk, it's a base metal. Take milk it as a base metal, and we add a coffee decoction or a tea decoction, which is it's an addition element, right? So this adding of, or you can say these two are two different base metals. Milk is another type of milk is a base metal, and decoction is a base metal. When we add both, we have a new type of thing which is known as coffee or tea, which is a new alloy. And it has different property from its from milk or tea decoction. So as we say, the coffee is an alloy, right? Or tea is an alloy. As the same way, you can say so. This alloys, when taking into the consideration, we can simply say that these alloys will produce great advantages for the steel. So if we add alloys, we can have a steel which has greater hardenability, less distortion towards cracking, and greater stress relief condition, less grain growth, and works at a higher temperature with a high strength, and has a better machinability and greater ductility. So we can simply say that by addition of alloys, we can improve the properties of an alloy, like mechanical properties or chemical properties or physical properties for a certain steel or a certain material, so that this condition, this alloying addition helps any material, or we can say we can have wide range of material for a single application. As we speak in before, like HSLA steel or Maraging steel, these steels are employed at certain applications due to their alloying addition only. So you can say HSLA steel is used in the structural application because of its alloying addition. So as like that, Maraging steels, which has carbon, carbon, silicon, moly, nickel. So this type of alloys helps the Maraging steels to used in the applications like landing gears, rocketry engines, as a teeth of crushers. So this alloy condition or alloying addition helps a particular steel to used in different applications. But if we have spoken more about advantages, but when coming to the disadvantages, you can easily say as we are improving or as we are adding more number of alloys, you can have the main issues that cost. So if we add more number of alloys, the cost is it is going to increase. So it's an increase. So we can see if we are adding more number of alloys, the cost is going to increase. The second one is that special handling. So some type of some alloys which is used in many applications or in many formation of steel grades, you can see some special handling has to be made. If we take about carbon, it is easily handled, but if we take about silicon or manganese or magnesium, you must have some precautionary measures to handle it. When we take about grade wise, some temper brittleness may happen in certain grades. And the final part is that the tendency towards austenite retention. Some alloys formation of austenite has been will retard the formation of austenite. Some alloys will retard the formation of ferrite. So there is more addition, and there is more disadvantage and advantage. So more advantages and disadvantages for addition of alloys. So while this alloying is happening, you can see the increase of properties like corrosion resistance, grain strength, greater strength, ductility, toughness, etc. So this alloying addition helps the material to improve its mechanical properties so that we can suit it for the particular applications. Thank you.